Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to turn your Shopify store visitors into loyal customers using powerful email and SMS marketing? Absolutely free? Today, I'll walk you through the easiest way to set up these tools. No experience needed, and by the end, you'll have everything running on Shopify with Klaviyo, so you can start reaching your audience with automated messages, promotions, and personalized campaigns. Let's get started right away. First, we need to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your command center for managing your store, products, customers, and apps. To do this, just log in with your store credentials. If you aren't sure where to find it, look for your store's name followed by admin in the URL bar, or use Shopify's official site and click your store from the dashboard. It might take a moment to load up, especially if Shopify is processing anything in the background, but once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Now, from the navigation menu on the left, locate and click the Apps section. Apps in Shopify are kind of like add-ons for your phone, tools that expand your store's capabilities. Here, you can search for and add functionalities, from marketing tools to shipping help. In the search bar at the top, type Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a specialized app for email and SMS marketing that integrates smoothly with Shopify and gives you tons of options, even on the free plan. When the results pop up, you'll want to select the official Klaviyo app. If you're unsure, look for the app with solid ratings and the official logo, a sign you're getting the real deal. Click on Klaviyo and then hit Install. You may notice a few permissions popping up. Don't worry, this is just Shopify making sure you know what data the app will access, which helps you keep your customers' information safe. Accept these and let the installer do its thing. Sometimes it's super fast. Other times, you might see a spinning wheel for a few seconds. Just hang tight and let Shopify do the heavy lifting in the background. Once installed, you'll be prompted to register a new Klaviyo account. This is important because Klaviyo can't send emails or texts unless it knows who you are. Go ahead and fill out your business details, your name, email, and password. If you already have a Klaviyo account, you can log in with those credentials instead. Think of this step like setting up your own control room for communications. You'll be able to track sales, manage contacts, and create beautiful campaigns all in one place. After you've registered or logged in, Klaviyo will ask to connect to your Shopify store. When you confirm this, the integration gets sealed. You've now synced your store's customer and order data with Klaviyo, allowing for personalized, automated marketing. That's literally it. You're ready to go. The beauty of this system is you haven't paid a dime, and you now have the tools big brands use to keep customers coming back. If you've never done email marketing before, don't worry. Klaviyo has plenty of built-in templates and guides to walk you through your first campaign. Think of it as setting up a friendly chat with your customers, reminding them about deals, new products, or even just saying thanks for shopping. And that's how you set up email and SMS marketing for your Shopify store for free in just a few simple steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if something wasn't quite clear, feel free to drop a comment below. I read everyone and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Shopify tutorials and marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.